Hi guys, today we'll be taking a look on how to install Ubuntu on VirtualBox. First, go in the BIOS by clicking F2, then click on Advanced Frequency Setting. Then navigate to Advanced CPU Setting, then enable SMV mode. If you have an older board, enable AMDV. Once you have done that, then save and exit the setup. After the computer reboots, now that this step is done, we'll further move on to the installation of VirtualBox. First, open VirtualBox and then click on Machine, then click on New. After you click on New, give the operating system a name, allocate memory size, click Create, allocate storage size, click Create. After that, open the VirtualBox by double clicking. It will show you a dialog box. Click on the folder icon, click on the add icon, select the ISO image, click open, choose start. Once it loads, it will ask you whether you want to try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. Click on install Ubuntu, then select the keyboard layout, select normal or minimal installation, click on continue. If you want to erase the disk and install Ubuntu, click install now, click on continue. Select the location. After selecting the location, add your name, computer's name, username, choose password and confirm the password. Then click continue. Once the installation is done, click on restart. Then open Ubuntu, type in your password, log in, click skip, next, and done. The operating system is installed. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.